Hello, everyone! My name is Kate, and today I am excited to share my evening routine with you. I will speak slowly and clearly, so this lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start! I usually finish work at 5 p.m. I take the bus home, and the ride takes about 20 minutes, which gives me time to relax and listen to a podcast. When I finally arrive home, I take off my shoes and put down my bag. I always feel so happy and relieved to be back in the comfort of my home. After relaxing for a moment, I go to the kitchen to prepare dinner. Sometimes I cook rice with vegetables, and other times I prefer a light meal like pasta or a fresh salad. I usually drink a glass of water or a warm cup of herbal tea with my meal. Once I finish eating, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen because I like to keep my home tidy and organized. Then it is time to relax in the living room. I sit on the sofa, put on my favorite music, or watch a bit of TV. Sometimes, if I want a quiet evening, I prefer to read a book instead. Around 9 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face with warm water to feel refreshed, and change into my comfortable pajamas. Finally, I go to my bedroom, turn off the lights, and lie down in bed. I close my eyes and drift off to sleep, feeling grateful for a calm day. That is my evening routine. Now, what about you? What do you usually do in the evening? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.